Hello friends, this is Ama Black Rose. My name is spelled AMABLAKROS, Ama Black Rose, and I'm back with another video. And before I start, I'll say thank you all so much for your patience and also your support. I know it's been a while since I posted a video with me in it. I thank you all for coming to support me again and watching all my previous videos. If you're new here, please subscribe. And also don't forget to share your comment and also share. And if you're old coming back to check my video out, I appreciate you all. A couple of weeks ago I went to Forever 21, okay, and I just went for a quick shop, like, you know, go get some few things. And guess what, I found these. Check them out. All right, the great thing about getting these three items, these three sets of earrings, is it is buy two get one free. All right, and each of the prices, one of them is $7.90. Then this one is $6.90. Very gorgeous. And the last one, it was $4.90. So these are all, like, you know, in a great pricing range as Forever 21 goes. However, it was like buy two get one free, so I am so happy I got them. Okay, so I wanted to share these with you. Yeah, jewelry, mini jewelry haul. I could say this. So for this set, I got them because it's very different. It has that dangling cross and coin. I think it's very different and in style right now. So yes, I thought I'll get it and share it with you. Yes, I like the hoop earrings, and also this one is a little different for me to try, so I'm like, you know what, I will get it. All right, and what my favorite that to see, and it's made of gold, clear, that's what it's called, so it's gold plated. Yeah, I'm gonna try it really quickly for you to see. So the stud itself has this lovely stone in it, and of course there is the chain, and then there is that hook going there. So let me try them on. Right, pretty, very gorgeous. I am so happy I got it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna put the other one on so it will be even. So this is the other one, and then this one. Okay, I love this style. I don't, you know, like, I've always tried to find something like this to wear, and today I'm brave to try it on, and I found it, and it was buy two, you know, two set get one for free. So this is a great steal. I'm so happy. Let me know what you think. Have you ever, you know, do you have this style of earring? Have you ever tried it? You know, what will you choose? If you have any other options, let me know. And of course, do you shop at Forever 21? I know a lot of people shop at Forever 21. So what are your favorite items to get? I love the jewelry side of it, and also, you know, the basics, but sometimes I go for dresses, but you know, these are my favorite things to get from Forever 21, and I'm so happy, you know. So let me know if you ever tried it, and also, of course, if you shop for Forever 21, what are your favorite things to get or items to get? Leave a comment, share if you like this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye bye now.